Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I am trying to solve the August LeetCode challenge problem, daily LeetCode challenge problem. The problem is to sort the matrix diagonally. A matrix diagonal is diagonal line up a cell starting from the some cell either from the topmost row and the leftmost column or going to the bottom right direction until reaching this the matrix end. For example, matrix diagonal starting from the 2.0 I mean that matrix 2 and 0, and matrix is 6 by 3 matrix, so includes the mat 2 cross 0 I mean that a 3 1 and including one after another. So given the m cross n matrix and matrix m with integer, and sort each matrix diagonal in ascending order and return the resultant matrix. So right now first I am trying to dry run on that, and then after that I am trying to implement by logic on coding. So first I am trying to do that. So suppose I have a matrix that is 1 2 1 2 3. Suppose the value is basically 1 2 3 5 7 2 9 8 3 1 2 5 1. So what will do that? So my approach is that basically I will make a function. I will make a function where I will give two variable and with the matrix given, that is I and j and the matrix. So after that, when I and j has been finding there, so first I will check that n of that matrix size, that is the row, and m is basically the column size. So until I less than m and j less than m, I will be plus plus, j will be plus plus. So after that, which the value has been present there, that will insert into the I mean auxiliary or the temporary vector or the array. Then after that it is being sorted. It is being sorting. Then I initially make a temporary variable temp1, that is r I mean n, and that temp2 is of the that is the m. So after that I will starting from there. So which the I and j has been given, which the not I and j. So after that temp1 is become right now that one value. So the I plus plus will be right now incrementing to there. So then I is become temp1 and j become temp2, and which the sorting value has been giving there as that format, I less than m and j less than m, I less than n and j less than m, and which the grid will be appeared there, that the value will be coming into there. So that is I and j, that is the vector, the auxiliary vector value, vector of I, and then I plus plus and j plus plus. That how I am trying to do that. Basically what is do, basically I am making that hold on, that one that has been copied and there, that I have been pasting there. So what is do that, first I will parsing through there, that is making a for loop for integer I0 to I less than matrix of 0 dot size, that is a columns value, I plus plus, and I sending that value matrix of 0 of I, that I am sending there, and then after that I am making that value for integer j is equals to 1, j less than mat dot size and j plus plus, and after that function matrix of that is that is j and 0, that value will be passing through there, and there I have been initializing that value and that value will be temporary first initializing there, I mean that stored into there. Then after that I plus plus and j plus plus, which the value has been coming through that one and that one. that one and that one. So which the value has been coming into there, that will be putting into that temporary vector and then sorted. Then I will repeat that same procedure, I plus plus and j plus plus into the diagonal wise, that the after sorted value will be put inside into there. So into going to there, basically I am traversing all the value is present in the matrix. So traversing order of n square, I am sorting there, so order of n log n. So basically the time complexity there, and I am taking an extra space, basically not extra, yes, extra space. So that is also order of n square, because every node that is not required, because I need the most longest diagonal. So most longest diagonal, that is if I have been taking that is the order of n max to max. So that is the I am taking the space complexity is the order of n, and the time complexity here is the order of n square. So right now I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So first I will make there void solve vector of vector. Okay. Integer I and integer j. So first I will make there for integer I equals to 0 to I less than integer n is equals to mat dot size integer m is equals to mat of 0 dot size integer n I plus plus, that will be down to there. So what is happening that okay, down to here. So I will send the value as mat of I of 0 passing through there, and for integer j is equals to 1, j less than m j plus plus, and after that solve mat of that is 0 of j, that value, and after that I will return the mat. So right now I am trying to implement my logic there. So I am taking that temporary variable tmp1, that is equals to I integer tmp2, that is equals to j. After that what I'll do that, making an variable integer tmp. So for while I less than, okay, I'll have to check there, integer n is equals to mat of size and integer m is equals to mat 0 dot size. So after that, well, I less than n and j less than m. After that, which the value has been present, tmp dot pushback the mat of I and j, and then I plus plus j plus plus, and after that what I'll do that, short tmp dot begin tmp dot end. That is, sorting has been done. So right now we'll have to put that value into that serial way. So that's how I needed the temporary variable to store the grid position, the matrix coordinate. So right now I is become tmp1, j become tmp2, and right now while in same condition I am putting there, and I just put that value is basically the matrix of I and J is become hold on, what I'll do that temporary value basically. Okay, why do I need that? That is, I didn't require to do that. Hold on. So for auto I of TMP, so that is right now I am putting that I plus plus and J plus plus is equals to the I basically, the value. So maybe I think I am right. So right now check that if my logic is correct or not. Integer m mat dot 0 um, mat dot 0 expected end, integer end, what happened, integer m, okay, is equals to, yes, it got accepted. So let me check that I am taking that another example. If that is right, in that after that I will submit my logic. Okay, hold on, test case wrong hai. Yeah, it's got accepted. So right now I'm trying to submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.